Guys,
Let's give her a round of applause.
Tulog na tulog.
It's your graduation day. What will you say?
Anyway. I don't know that.
Antok na?
Alas 7 o alas 8. Gising yun.
Kasi graduating today in college.
Graceful Dancer Award, Good Communicator Award, and Color Master Award.
Hi guys, so graduation talaga ngayon ng mga anak ko. Ito si ate. Graduation niya pero wala siyang pakialam din. Kami lang talaga yung may pakialam.
Academic Awards for grade 2.
Na siya. Ito yung mga award niya pala guys. Ato ba't yun sa video award? Ha?
Amir, but they say to me,
Jacob award? Gutom na to.
Body.
What do you like to eat?
In recognition of their dedication and hard work.
It's your graduation day. What will you say?
Anyway. I don't know that. I just forgot.
You just forget. Tingnan mo yung labig mo, oh. Hindi naman yata graduation pinunta mo, ikain. Halika na, tinatawag na si ate mo.
Guys,
Let's give her a round of applause.
Tulog na tulog. Tulog na tulog. Ito, gising pa.
Gagraduate ka pala, tulog ka ng tulog. Alexa, nasaan na sapatos mo? So guys, hindi natin na-expect meron tayong award. Akla, may award tayo, B. I'm so surprised I have like this. Thank you, Yellow Bell. So guys, uwian na. Ay, uwi na namin ang mga pa-premium bulaklak. Okay, I'll vlog. Hi guys, we're here in Villar Seafood Farm, and Jacob is mine.
Mommy, dapat you stand up and don't care. And now you vlog.
Hi guys, we're here right now in Villar Seafood Farm, and my videographer is Jacob. Okay na?
Yeah.
Can you take us a photo? He is asking you to vlog.
Mommy,
Stealing what to say. What will I say?
you stand up. What?
I will just sit down now.
Oh, Mommy, you stand up dapat.
Hi guys, we are here right now in Villar Seafood Farm, and Jacob is my videographer, and do you know Aya is over there, riding in a horse. Thank you.
Let me just say thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye. Nana, ang dami mo namang take out. May naiwan ka pa. Naiwan mo yung bahaw. Hindi lang kaya. Ano? Para kang Sharonian ka talaga, An.
Para hindi maputuman sa sala.
Idol mo si Sharon Cuneta, ah. Ito na po si Sharon. Ay, tara na. Let's go na.